Ecuador is one of the biggest exporters of shrimp worldwide. We're gonna use them today for Camarones al Ajillo. It's basically a fresh and powerful mix between garlic and shrimps, sided with rice and a fresh salad. We have to begin with the broth, and for this we need the head and the shells. Never throw them away because there is so much flavor in it. If you don't have head or skin for the broth, replace it with water. For the broth we're gonna use the head and the shell of the shrimps. It's also the perfect time to upcycle some vegetable peelings, some raw trimmings, instead of putting them in the trash. While the broth boils, we're gonna devein our shrimps. Be patient and be gentle. For the sauce, it's really simple. Cook the garlic, pour the sauce, and let it at low heat, reducing on the side. At the same time, we're gonna begin the refrito for the rice. Little tips: 1 volume of rice, 1.5 to 2 volumes of water. The rice is finishing to absorb all the liquid, the sauce is reducing on the side. Now let's cut the vegetables for the salad and mix them all together in a bowl. At last, grill the shrimps on a really hot pan, 1 minute per side, and then it's time to eat. Enjoy! And that was Camarones al Ajillo. See you next time.